Good morning to everyone. My topic for today is Parliament or Constitution, which is our sovereign. Comparing Parliament with Constitution is not possible. It's like comparing the creation with its creator. The Parliament being the creation of the Constitution and the Constitution being the creator of the Parliament. Friends, it is a romanticized concept that the sovereignty lies in the will of the people. And that's why we say that the Parliament represents the will of the people and therefore the Parliament is sovereign. Today I am here to debunk this statement. In the landmark case of B.R. Kapoor versus State of Tamil Nadu, when Jayalalitha, one of the dynamic leaders of Tamil Nadu, was disqualified and she was convicted of offences of Indian Penal Code, that time the counsel for Jayalalitha stated that the Jayalalitha is representing the will of the people in Tamil Nadu, and that's why the will of the people should prevail over Election Commission's decision and over the Supreme Court's decision. The Supreme Court of India stated that the constitutional morality will prevail. This incident is a testament that the Supreme Court stated that the will of the people should be constitutional and the constitutional morality should prevail. There are n number of examples where in the recent judgment of Sabarimala, where will of the people was stating that a menstruating woman of some certain age limit should not enter the temple. The Supreme Court said that they can enter the temple. That means they prevailed the constitutional morality, and here the will of the people was debunked. Here thus my first statement is that will of the people is not supreme. It's the constitution which is supreme. If the question is whether the Parliament or the constitution which is supreme, here my answer is undoubtedly the constitution. Parliamentary sovereignty is a British concept. It means that Parliament is having absolute power. They can amend anything and everything. And this can only exist where there is no constitution. But India doesn't have parliamentary sovereignty. The entire debate started from the landmark judgment of Shankari Prasad. I would like to quote here the Sajjan Singh versus State of Rajasthan judgment of 1964. Here two dissenting opinions were there which very few people know. Justice Madhurkar in his dissenting opinion in Sajjan Singh case said that there is something in the constitution which cannot be amended. Justice Hidayatullah said that the fundamental rights cannot be amended. The judgment was on the contrary, saying that the Parliament can amend anything and everything. But these two dissenting opinions were pivotal, where on one hand Justice Madhurkar saying that there is something in the constitution which cannot be amended, and Justice Hidayatullah saying that the fundamental rights cannot be amended. This entire creation led to the creative interpretation of the constitution on 24th of April 1973 in the landmark decision of Keshavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala, in which the doctrine of basic structure was created. This meant that the Parliament can amend anything and everything except the basic structure. This means that the Parliament is not having the absolute power to amend the constitution, which means that the Parliament is having a limited amending power. That in turn means that the Parliament is not supreme, it's the constitution which is supreme. So friends, if the question is on the supremacy, who is supreme? Undoubtedly the constitution. Coming to the sovereignty aspect, sovereignty is an abstract concept. Will of the people is an imaginary concept. Sovereignty means that you are free from external and internal aggression. My answer is that both the constitution and Parliament are not sovereign. It's a quite different opinion I have here. My argument is that the institutions created by the constitution are sovereign. Sovereignty, the basic understanding of sovereignty means that they are free from external aggression, they are free from internal aggression also. Every institution created by the constitution is sovereign. This is my next statement. And this is a typical romanticized statement in political science where we celebrate that the will of the people, that the sovereignty lies in the will of the people. And today I have somewhere here debunk the statement that it's not the will of the people, but it's the constitution where the sovereignty lies. So with this, I would like to conclude that if the question is about supremacy, undoubtedly the constitution is supreme. If the question is about sovereignty, the institutions, the organizations, there lies the sovereignty and not the constitution. With this, I conclude my presentation. Thank you very much.